Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing these makeup products from FreshO2. FreshO2 is a Taiwanese makeup brand which is very underrated in my opinion. A while ago I got these products from the official website. They actually gifted a lot of these because they will be expiring soon, which I think is really nice of them, although you might not be able to find them anymore. Some other items you can get from YesStyle as well, which ships worldwide for free. Without further ado, let's get started. The first item I got is the Vitamin E Water Lotion from the Ava and Jessica collection. I love how the packaging is very minimalistic. The lotion contains ingredients like squalene, vitamin E, and seed oils, which moisturize the skin and maintain the skin's barrier. It comes in a convenient pump bottle design. The lotion is very lightweight and absorbs quickly. It doesn't feel greasy or sticky at all. By the time I'm editing this video, I already finished the whole bottle. It is that good. Next, I got the Day blush in shade Lovey Dovey. The heart-shaped packaging and engravings are so cute. This shade is a pink beige color. The powder is so smooth and it doesn't look patchy. It is more of a pigmented blush, so a little goes a long way. This is the Honey Butter Lip Oil. I got the shade 02 Smoky Rose. The big applicator feels so cushiony. This shade is a beautiful muted rose color. It is a perfect My Lips But Better shade. It feels moisturizing and it leaves a glossy finish without being sticky. Next up is the Imnaked Eyebrow Pencil in shade 01 Soft Brown. One end is the brow pencil and the other end is a spoolie. I have a pretty light colored eyebrows, so this shade is perfect for me. They also have two other darker shades. I absolutely love their ultra slim pencil. This Drunken Love eyeshadow palette is so beautiful. In fact, this might be my favorite item from today. The wooden texture is so unique, as well as the similar engravings on the eyeshadows themselves. This palette features 6 cool gray-toned eyeshadow shades with 3 matte shadows and 3 shimmer shadows. These color combinations are great for everyday makeup looks. They are pretty pigmented too. I got this soft matte lip mud in shade L01 Drunk Rose. The pink packaging is really refreshing. This shade is slightly brighter than the online pictures, but still the formula is very smooth and it doesn't emphasize lip lines. This is the Gemma G2K lip stain in shade G1 Rose. It is a glossy reddish pink shade. Unlike many other lip stains, the stain that it leaves is a lot softer in color, which can be great if you're looking for a light tint instead of a bold stain. I bought the Longwear liquid liner in shade 2 Brown. The brush tip is very flexible. You can easily draw a bold or a thin sharp eyeline. It is also smudge proof and waterproof. This is the Oud Glow Stick in shade 03 Relaxing Fig. You can use it as a blush or you can also apply it on your eyelids and lips. This shade is a light pink color. It looks just like a natural flush. It applies really smoothly and it is very blendable. Next up is the Everyday Lip Balm in shade Rose Tea. The lip balm itself looks really bright and pigmented, but it is actually a sheer dewy lip balm. The shade Rose Tea is a cool pink color. The next item is probably the most fun product I've got. It is the National Gallery Van Gogh Silky Lip Mud. The packaging is inspired by Van Gogh's sunflower painting. The silicone spatula is included. It is very flexible. The lip mud texture is so soft and bouncy, super fun to play with. The shade Passion is a muted wine red color. What I like about this lip mud is that you can blend them easily for a blurred effect. I got this Take It Easy Dewy Lipstick in shade No Matter What. It is a dewy lipstick, but this collection also have matte ones. It is a very natural looking pink beige color. It glides on the lips smoothly. This is a 6 colors palette in Floral. It contains 6 very refreshing eyeshadow shades. The glitter shades are very shiny and beautiful, particularly the green shade, which is very unique. Next, I got the Moisturizing Lip Cube in the shade Pink Watermelon. This is probably one of the best-selling products from the entire brand. The cube-shaped packaging is so cute. It is a pH color-changing lip balm. It changes into a light pink color. This is a really nice product if you're looking for a light tinted lip balm. Next up is the lightweight lip jelly in the shade 04 Jelly. I think this is most similar to other popular Korean lip tints. It is a coral color with a hint of pink. The only thing is that I wish the applicator was bigger. Let's move on to the super adorable Snoopy collection. The first item is the Peanuts Radiance Primer. It is a mattifying primer with SPF 10. It has a super lightweight milky texture. It brightens up the skin naturally without looking too ghostly. Next is the Snoopy Makeup Puff. The design of the puff is so cute. It is smaller in size than most other makeup puffs. The puff is very bouncy. I really like the pointed shape because I can easily use it to blend my under eye area. I usually use these puffs to blend foundation and concealer. These lipsticks might be the cutest thing. I got the shades Snoopy and Belle. The packaging is very sleek and classy. Snoopy is a pinkish beige shade and Belle is a rosy mauve color. They glide on so smoothly and leave a gorgeous glossy finish. I think Belle might be my favorite shade, it matches my skin tone so well. Next, I got the Snoopy pressed powder. I can't emphasize enough how cute these packagings were. The powder is very smooth and fine, it mattifies the skin without looking too cakey or powdery. Finally, I got this little devil headband from the Juno Devil collection. The design is super cool, the fabric is really soft and comfortable, it is extremely stretchy and fits nicely. It is great for keeping your hair away when doing makeup and skincare. Anyway, let me know which product is your favorite. I think this brand is super underrated and you should definitely give it a try. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.